Here is a wonderful 2020 Jeep Compass. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 10,000 miles on the odometer. The Compass delivers refined sophistication, versatile SUV capability, the latest safety features, and an adventurous spirit. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: power liftgate, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Don't settle for average when you can have excellent. Drive the Compass.